you start to crest over, I want to see you go driver a little bit.
Okay. Going forward, guys.
There you go. No, you're good, right there. Bring it on forward. So I want your driver front right on this lip right here. Okay, do you want to straddle that? Well, you're going to, if you come here, the driver's going to drop and that end's going up. So if you turn hard passenger, you might, more driver.
High dive all over again.
Yeah, oh yeah. All right.
Right on the edge?
Yep, just keep it driver because that's going to start climbing up as this one's coming down. Keep going. You're good right there, okay? Now they're both going to start dropping a little equally. You got a hole on this side so the